Hello. What you see here is the earthquakes above 6 Richter scale from August 24 until today, September 1st, which is here. It was 1 hour and 56 minutes ago, off coast of New Zealand, 7.0. As you can see, we have very strong earthquake which are becoming stronger and stronger, and two of them are 7 or above 7 and two are very close to 7. So this is not a joke at all. And I was wondering, is there any connection between these earthquakes? And I did one experiment which led me to something fascinating. I still cannot take my breath because this is incredible. I mean, this is so incredible that I cannot believe, I cannot still believe in what I've just found. So let me show you something. We go to the Google Earth. You see this? This is the epicenter of the earthquake in New Zealand today, 2 hours ago, 7.0. Okay, this is this one, off coast New Zealand, 7.0, September 1st, 2016. Now watch this, believe it or not. So I was wondering, is there any connection between this earthquake in New Zealand and the earthquake from Italy from August 24, 2016, which was 6.2, 300 people dead. Now, let me show you the connection. This is the earthquake of New Zealand. Now we're going to rotate this. Watch the red line. Watch the red line. It goes right through this heart of the earth like an equator. Equator, watch. And we came where? We come here, exactly at the epicenter of the earthquake in Italy. So this line marks something what reminds me of orbit of some planet or some planetary body or comet, whatever. And so now I'd like to connect all this earthquake, and I was wondering, is that same orbit between this earthquake in between, are they connected with this line? But they are not. But there was something very, very significant happened when I watched the earthquake of 7.0 in off coast of New Zealand. Because I found that an orbit, which was orbit of the comet, which is on 24 of August at 3:30 in the morning. Please watch this very carefully. 3:30 in the morning, because the earthquake in Italy was at 3:36. This is UTC standard time plus 2 hours in Croatian time. It's 3:36. So this is prior to this earthquake. 6 minutes prior to this earthquake, we have following situation. Watch this now. This is the, I must blow this for you. So this is the epicenter in Italy. You see that here? This is the epicenter. Now watch, I will draw the angular separation to the comet hill. What do you read here? What is the angle between epicenter and comet hill? It's a 90 degrees angle. Read, 90 degrees. What kind of a fucking coincidence is that? So I went to watch what's going on with the comet Hill after August 24 and where the orbit it's passing. Now watch. Next earthquake, same day, August 24, was in Myanmar, in Burma. Now I will roll to the Myanmar. Just a moment to put a hand here, and I will show you something amazing. So this is the orbit of Comet Hill. Watch this orbit where it's passing. Oh. Just a moment to find my number. I have to squeeze this because this is too big, sorry. Okay. Do you see Myanmar here? Watch where the orbit is passing. You see moon here? So let me go back for you. Let me go back for you. This is Myanmar. Watch the orbit of Comet Hill. Pack. Stop. It's passing right through the Myanmar. Let me go back like this. And here it is. This is the orbit of Comet Hill. Watch this very carefully. Look at where the moon is. Now, next earthquake was in the north of Ascension Island. 7.1. Guess where the Comet Hill orbit is passing. Watch now this. We go to the, just a moment. It's somewhere here. Wait. Here it is. North of Ascension Island. Here is the orbit of Comet Hill. Watch this. Watch this. Boom. It's on the path of Comet Hill. Now, this is the third earthquake that is connected with the orbit of the Comet Hill. Now let me show you next earthquake, which is New Island region. August 31st. Watch this. New Island region is going like this. It's somewhere here. Just a moment. I just have to. Here it is. Here it is. Can you see the comment? Wait. I have to go back. I have to go back. New Island region. Comet Hill. It's here. Let me blow this for you so there is no any mistake here. This is the same comet. New Island region. Look at where the comet is passing. This is the what? First, second, third, fourth earthquake. And now let's see the last earthquake of 7.0. Is it under the orbit of the Comet Hill? Now watch this very carefully. So we go to the New Zealand, I have to squeeze this. It's much more. Here it is. Look at where we are. Look at where we are. Look at where is the comet. Look at off coast of New Zealand. Here it is. This cross here is the epicenter of today's earthquake. Watch this. Here it is. Watch very carefully. This is the orbit of the comet here. I mark only this orbit. Only this orbit here. Here is the epicenter of today's earthquake. Watch this. Stop. Here it is. So, all these earthquakes are connected to the position of the orbit of the comet Hill. Now, let me show you this exactly what I mean. So, we go now, which is September 1st, okay, and the earthquake was in New Zealand. It was at I'm sorry, 1637. It's 1837. Let's see what's going on in 1837 here. 1837. Here is the epicenter. Watch. Just watch this. This is today. Right through the heart of the epicenter. Watch this. Here it is. Right through the heart of the epicenter of this earthquake. This is the epicenter of today's earthquake, off east coast of New Zealand. And this is the orbit of Comet Hill. Now, unfortunately, I am not able to do something what I like to do, and this is to draw angular separation between Comet Hill and the epicenter of this earthquake, because this is too small. Let me see. Okay, maybe I can get this because it's very close. It's not so far away as I think. Here it is. So we need what? Offshore northern, no. Southern Yukon territory, no. State of Micronesia. It's somewhere here. Santa Cruz, Vanuatu, yes, but I don't know if I can squeeze this more. No, I cannot squeeze this more than it is. And I cannot draw the line between this comet which is here and I can try, but I don't know if I can manage to do this. So this is the Comet Hill. I need angular separation. This is the trap of this program. So let me see if I can go somewhere here. No, I cannot navigate. Unfortunately, I cannot navigate, and it's not possible for me to do so. And I cannot even squeeze this. This is the maximum that I can go with minus. And unfortunately, I cannot see the angular separation between this earthquake and the position of this comet. And I will try to find some way how to do this. At least I will try to, to improvise something, and I will let you know what is the ratio between epicenter and the position of the comet hill. So we have 2, 4, 5 earthquakes connected to one comet, to the orbit of one comet. To the orbit of one comet. First one was in the angular separation of 90 degrees, about 6 minutes prior to the earthquake. People, this is something very, very important. There is no such coincidence. Nobody can connect 6 earthquakes with the orbit of the same comet. Nobody can do this. Nobody can do this. This is practically impossible. And theoretically too. So I just want to show you that something is very weird going on here, and I am aware of it, and I'm going to discover this completely soon as I found at least 3 or 4 connections between this earthquake and angular separation between this comet. People, thank you very much for your attention and stay tuned.